Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have a special case review for you. The nice folks over at Naked Cell Phone Case sent me some cases for the Razr 2022. So now that we have a gang all here, all unbagged, let me tell you about them. NakedCellPhone.com. You have a website for these cases. Naked Cell Phone is a one-stop sales shop LLC, a retailer and distributor of mobile accessories. All other brands, product names, company names, and trademarks and service marks are property of their respective owners and are federally registered trademarks by their respective companies. Naked Cell Phone does not claim any ownership of any of the above trademarks. Any references to brand name is strictly for informational purposes to identify the phone which is compatible with the specific product. Please address any questions or inquiries to support@nakedcellphone.com. I purchased my first Naked Cell Phone case on Amazon.com. I don't see these listed. If they are listed at a later date, I will be sure to drop links in the description. Each one of these cases comes with a holster clip. The case I had for the Z Fold 2, the holster clip was optional. I'm sure it is with these as well, but they were kind enough to send me cases with holster clips. I'm gonna slide the cell phone in here. You know, it's going to completely change the look of this very black phone. I've only seen the Razr currently in black. Completely installed. Gives it a nice white look. It's not a really thick case. Slightly slippery, but there are ridges here. There is some give to the case. You see the slits here. We're locked and loaded. Of course, it's a foldable, so the inside is not going to have a lip on it. Looks awesome on this phone, and again, like I said, it completely changes the look. More of a panda look on my Razr now. And if you're going out, oh, look at there. Nicely padded back here. Slide this in here. It's locked in. Clip to your pants, purse, whatever you want to do with it. Can still have access to your charge. There's a click and it slides back out. Okay, so slide in, click, click, slide out. The clicks before it slides, so it's not gonna slide in and out of the holster just willy-nilly. There is a slight lip here that it goes behind to hold it in place. Let's look at the case itself. We have complete access to our volume up and down, fingerprint unlock, our charging port, our mic, our speaker, mic up top. Camera has a lip of protection there, which is awesome. And I mean, literally, it comes up well around the phone. You see that Motorola right there? That's really nice. Motorola. You might not think this is a big deal, but getting these cases on and off, I do find that that's something you really need to pay attention to when you get cases for foldables, because you don't want to feel like you're tearing up the phone. Not too much, you know, you don't have to press too hard and it comes right off. And being these cases are made all the same, and I have a variety of colors here, I would be down for some mixing and matching. What if you are like a Miami Dolphin fan, right? Naked Cell Phone gives you the option to slap on an orange and slap on that aqua, and you're ready for game day. Not my team, but you know, just something to think about. This bad boy even stands up by itself. I like that. So if you're in the holster, you can just post it up on the table. I went with my alumni, Fayetteville State University. We're blue and white. Wanted to give you a couple looks of the mix and match on the Naked Cell Phone case. I'd like to thank you for dropping by the channel, checking out my honest review of the Naked Cell Phone case for the Razr 2022. These cases were sent to me by Naked Cell Phone with no obligation, no scripts. Special thanks and shout out to Naked Cell Phone Case. I hope y'all keep me in mind when you get other cases for other models, because I really do enjoy your lineup of phone cases. Gives you a lot of variety. It doesn't break the bank. I remember not spending a lot of money for my Naked Cell Phone Case for my Z Fold 2. And again, it took a dive off the deck with just that case on. The case survived, the phone survived. All is well in the world. If you've enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button. If you've liked multiple videos, consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see what those privileges are, please click on the join button and see what those privileges can bring you. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on the next video. Holla!